Hey y'all, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. Good morning. So, before you watch the video today, I just wanted to explain briefly the premise of the video, why you're going to see me draw the same bulldozer 3 times, basically. So recently I've been branching out and exploring different mediums, all kinds of variations on ink, fountain pens, waterproof ink, not waterproof ink, Poscas particularly, colored pencils, and obviously I'm continuing to paint with watercolor. That's kind of my primary medium. So what you're gonna see is me, I have already sketched the bulldozers in the drawings, because I didn't figure you'd want to see that. I sketched the bulldozer twice, for the ink version and the Posca version, and then I was kind of done sketching the bulldozer, so I traced the watercolor version. Basically, you're gonna see me do one version in a kind of black and white urban sketcher style with markers and a fountain pen, and then you're gonna see one version with Poscas, which is a medium I've been playing around with. I wasn't really thrilled with the Posca result, but it was okay. And then finally you'll see me paint the bulldozer with Nightshade Watercolors. I chose the Nightshade Watercolors just because I've been looking for an opportunity to show off how beautiful they are. In particular, I was really thrilled with the granulation. The burnt sienna and ultramarine mix was just stunning. It was the tinting in this mix there was something special about it, I think. You can use ultramarine and burnt sienna to make a gray, black, purplish neutral. Everybody does that. But with this particular version, I just really enjoyed playing with the warm and cool variations, playing with the hues and the tinting strength. And it just really, in my mind, set the paints apart from other paints. So I will leave a link to everything in the description box. I'll leave a link to all the materials I used, the sketchbooks I used, and particularly to the Nightshade Watercolor website. If you are more interested in seeing swatches of all the colors I've purchased, I'll put a link to my swatching video for Nightshade in the description box. And I hope that you enjoy these little speed paints. I know it's not the most thrilling subject, but I find the detail and angles and technical aspect of drawing and painting construction equipment interesting, or at least I did at the time. I'm a little burnt out on it at this point, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, or dislike, that's okay too. Everything helps. If you subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. I try to post every Tuesday. Sometimes I might miss depending on how busy I am, but pretty much once a week on Tuesdays I'll post something new. And I think I'm probably going to have another video on Nightshade Watercolors next week. I'm probably going to do one more painting with those just to show off a few more of the colors, but they're really special paints, and I encourage you to check them out if you haven't already. Bye! Hi everyone, this is post-editing Sarah here. I just wanted to take a minute to apologize in advance for the lighting in this video. I have since corrected the issue, but there are going to be a few spots where there are some really noticeable lighting issues in the film. I'm so sorry. I can't fix it, or at least I don't have the patience to go through and spend hours fixing it. So just know that it will be corrected in future videos, and I'm so sorry. I hope it doesn't upset anybody or give you a headache or anything.